Hey, when it come to you, pistol like buzz, issue with trust. Won't let no one get a piece of your love. Yeah, based it on loyalty, based it on us. I ain't the picture Briana.
The cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Hey, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana, and you're tuning into a bomb hair tutorial, y'all. I'm happy to be sponsored by ULAHAIR, y'all. They sent me over this wig, and let me tell y'all, I've been eating these wigs up, y'all. Do y'all see that part? I mean, that part. Do you see the plucking, y'all? Do y'all see that? I gotta put my being on, but and then these curls. My mom went ahead and put some loose curls in my hair. I always like using these. A lot of people like using the T3s, y'all. I guess I want it, but a lot of people like using the T3 curling irons. I like these because it's gonna give a loose beach wave curl. But when she got done with it, it looked so good. I mean, it looked good overall. However, it looked really good, and it was like really big. However, the curls are going to drop, so that was expected, and this is how the curls look now. And let me show you. I'm not going to be doing a talk through really in this video, not really much to be said, but I will be talking throughout the video. So yeah, they sent over some caps, y'all, in this bag, an instruction guide to take care of your hair for the hair, and then they sent over some lashes, but y'all know I do not wear no little lashes, okay? I'll probably put these on a client, but other than that, that's all that they had sent in the bag. Let me get to the details of this wig, y'all. So this wig will be linked down in the description right below, but this is a colored highlighted wig, and this is in 22 inches, y'all. And let me tell y'all, she ate, baby, she ate it on up, period. I don't want to keep y'all long. I want to get y'all right into this video. So if y'all want to see how I got my wig just like this, keep on watching. Hey y'all, we are back with another hair video, and it's featuring ULAHAIR. This is a paid sponsorship, y'all, and let me tell y'all exactly what comes in the bag. A wig cap, a pair of lashes, and this is the wig, y'all. It is beautiful, but I will not be talking too much in this video as far as voiceover. This is throughout the video, so this is how the wig looks. I wish it was a little bit darker, but yeah, I'm about to start talking and I'm gonna come right back. Hey guys, so I've already plucked the wig. As you can see, I snapped on plucking this wig. Ooh. I plucked in bleach, so my hair I got a comb head. So let's get into actually putting this wig on. So I'm about to go ahead and put my ball cap on. Y'all already know how I do that. I really don't have to explain much, so I just want y'all to watch me do it. But I did bleach and pluck this off camera, and yeah, let's hop right on into it. The caps that they provided for me in the bag, and I am going to cut the ear tabs on the sides as I did. And now I am spraying Even Wonderlace by adhesive spray in the black bottle. It's Supreme. And then I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer for some seconds just so that it can dry. I don't like using the hand dryer for this. I like sitting right under the dryer. It don't take that long. And once I'm done, I'll go ahead and cut it exactly to my hair shape. So that's the key. Cut this wig cap exactly to your hair shape. Sometimes you can leave a little bit more, but I don't, depending on if you like want to cover most of your forehead. But I just cut it to my hairline shape. Okay, y'all, so I put the wig on my head just to make sure I'm putting it in the right place. I'm gonna have to probably go over this cut because that burn, definitely, because it's like right there literally. So I'm gonna put some makeup on this, and I'm actually gonna make sure it's in the middle. Like, I have to make sure it's in the middle this time because I can't. Yeah, it has to be in the middle. I still gotta take it off my head, but I'm just showing y'all the wig up close. I hate when it be like so white. I be needing a like really good tint that's gonna turn it like my color, if y'all get what I'm saying. So let me take this off real quick and I'm gonna come back and put it on. I'm gonna take this Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade what is this, level 12, tone 12. This one, I always take this and I'm gonna go in between both, mostly the darker one. The cap came out good though, I ain't gonna snap. It came out so good. I'm just actually do it this way because I can see. I really want to just press it towards the line. So after I cut my excess lace off, that, well, not lace but excess cap off, I go ahead and I take some makeup and I basically try to melt it to match my skin tone. So basically do this ball cap. I also just went ahead and put it on my wig cap as well, but you're gonna see it. I like this cap too. It's not like the thin caps, but it's a good cap and I like. Let's clean this lace, well, not this lace, this line up with alcohol, and then let's start applying this onto the lace. So before my mom cut it, I'm trying to make sure it's in the middle. You know me,
It's cute wig.
I be trying to put it right dead in the middle, y'all. I think it's in the middle. Let me hold it so I won't.
Well,
I tried to put all that makeup on them because it was, the lace is too light. So I put it underneath and on top so it could blend. My mom right now is cutting off the ear tabs, like the sides, so that it could fit to my head shape. I don't know, it all depends. Some people like leaving it, but I like cutting it, and this is the correct way to do a wig, y'all. If y'all actually just look at the video, y'all see exactly how to do a wig. But this wig was very easy to work with, and like I said, I love the color. I love how it's blending into my skin. The only thing for me is really to try to get that hairline to be melted. But other than that, I really like the wig overall. But like I said, make sure it's in the middle. And I'm gonna just flip this back real quick. That's it. I want to take my Erica J Hold Me Down lace glue, y'all. Key to putting this Hold Me Down on is you want to make a thick line. This is how you're going to make your wig last for a very long time. You want to make that zigzag line, make it thick to the point where it goes back a little bit so that your wig can stay and have its longevity. I'm gonna put 2 more coats on and then I'm gonna stick it down. All right, y'all, let's lay this down. I feel like once I take this up, this gonna rip off because it's dead skin on there. Like, okay, make sure that we are in the middle. I'll stuck this down. It's in the middle. It's in the middle, okay? Finally, I got in the middle. So I'm about to glue the sides down because I didn't glue this part down. Alright, y'all. So I glued those sides down more because I don't know. I feel like yeah, this one might have to be cut a little more because I feel like it's all balanced. Let's see, because I feel like it's more on this side than on this one. But I mean, I honestly feel like they even though too. I don't know. I was just trying to get this in the middle. That's all I really care about. So I probably like have her cut this some more because it's just like it's too much. Alright, y'all, let me go get Lay. Alright, y'all, I had to go get Lay, but look at this. I had to cut this side some more. Why? Because I kind of shifted it over a little bit so that my part can be dead in the middle. Like I was not playing with this part. Like, I remember my other part, it was like not in the middle, so I had to make this one in the middle. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to cut the lace. Oh no, it's giving no baby hairs because I don't really want no baby hairs. And then I'm gonna start this makeup look. So let's get into it. That band off, baby, because I know it's melted. You know, you don't have to sit under the dryer. That's what my stylist told me when I went, and she was like, "Girl, they be sitting under you under the dryer to spend more time, girl." So I put that band on, was gonna get late, came back, and it was a melted. Okay, do y'all see that hairline? Period. It is melted. I did have to go back in to do the ear tabs, but that was before then. And I'm just basically looking at it to see how I like it. I want to cut the other side off. Taking this spray and I'm spraying the ends of it, and what I'm doing is I am taking it and I am meshing down this lace, okay, because we want it to be melted. And even if it's sticking down, I still go back in and add that, and then I'm going to I'm not gonna style it. I'm gonna do my makeup first, and then I'll probably get to styling it. Y'all saw I made it my man, like, we are not doing no baby hairs. Like, we are going to just let this melt on our head, okay? So I'm gonna tie it down with a tie. I wish I had something like a mousse or something that's like really like a little darker, but I feel like once this melts into the skin, it'll be snatched, okay? And then once the makeup and bronzer hit it, it should be good. So I'm just about to go tie this down and then do my makeup, and then after I do my makeup, we're gonna continue this tutorial. Okay, y'all, so now it's time for the curls, but right now my mom is spending some gas to be high insta hold. This is in the blue can. This is the it's something, because the yellow can, it means something else, but anyways, it's for all day control. And right now she's layering the hair, so I love a good layer because it's going to make the hair big instead of you just not layering it and just having straight 22 inches. Who wants that? Like, that's so boring. No. So layer the hair all around, take sections and layer it. And then what my mom's going to do is she's going to curl my hair because I want some pretty curls. Sometimes I want tight curls, but then this was giving loose. So I'm taking, well, she's taking the T3 curling iron 1-inch curler burl, and she's going to curl this all around. It's redundant. I don't have to speak on this. All you have to do is watch and see exactly what she's doing. But she's going to take a section from each side. So you can actually split your hair into two. And then you can take sections, little sections, big sections, and just curl it. So you're going to take a section, take the curler, curl it. I'm pretty sure most of y'all know how to curl, but if not, just look at it. I'm telling you, that's how I learned most of my stuff, like just by looking at tutorials, and I just try to mimic it. And then by that time, when I got good, I try to do it in my own way. So yeah. She's going to do this all around. It's going to go pretty quick, but I hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to go check out ULAHAIR in the description bar below, and also the link to this wig. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next hair video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. All of those things are free, so I don't know what y'all doing. Y'all need to go ahead and do everything, okay? Like the content, but you always come, you always watch, but you never like, comment, and subscribe. Like, I'm just not getting it. So you need to hit that subscribe button and share and like I don't understand. Y'all need to do that right now. If y'all want more content like this, comment down below and let me know if y'all like this highlighted wig, cause baby, I snatched this wig. And until the end, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.